So you might be in a situation where for some reason your USB Type-C headphones just aren't actually working with your Samsung device. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one thing I'd recommend doing here is to go through and just make sure that you are fully plugging in these headphones right inside of this particular device. So sometimes if you do it, it might look like they're plugged in, but they're not actually plugged in. So try going through and try fully plugging them in just like this, making sure they're fully clicked in. That is going to be the easiest thing you can do. You can also try unplugging them just like so, and try plugging them back in just like this as well. That's going to be another very easy way to go and kind of adjust it. Sometimes you might just have to kind of go back and forth, but that might end up fixing the problem for you, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. Now, if you do that and that's not working, you might want to check your outputs of your Samsung device, meaning you might just want to go through and make sure there's not like a random setting you have to adjust or something like that along those lines where you have to go through and kind of change this being from a phone setting to like a different type of output. So try to see if there's like an output setting. You can also try going through and try seeing if there's a way to change it inside of the application that you're using for your music. So try giving that a try. You can also try restarting your phone. So hold down the button you normally would to restart your phone, click on restart, give that a try. You can also try updating your phone as well. So try making your way over into your settings app like this. Scroll down until you find software update and try software updating your device, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it, and hopefully that'll end up fixing it for you. So if you have any more thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.